Nkala.
Yeah.
I had to consult nami with my spirit.
Yeah.
Uyazi ama decisions anje Nkala awuveli wathathe.
No.
Mina ngingumuntu deeply spiritual, very spiritual. Angiphongi kwenza into. Ngikala ngiconsult, ngiconnect njalo nomoya wami ngizwe ukuthi uthini kuthiwani emoyeni.
Yeah.
Yiso lesikhathi Kehle. Yiso lesikhathi ngaconsulta njalo nabantu engazi ukuthi these ones will never lie to me, they will tell me the truth.
Yeah. Asibonge Mthokazi kaNdaba. Sibingelele njalo kubalaleli nakubabukeli eMathele Broadcasting Corporation. Igama nguThulani wakwaNkala. Njengenjwayelo sesiphinde seza futhi. Namhlanje ke sililethela angazi nokuthi ngingambiza ngithini ngoba is a multi-talented gentleman. Unamathalenta wonke ungawacabanga unawo. Uyajayiva irumba. Yeah. Sibonge kakhulu namhlanje ngililethele insizwa inamagama amaningi. Kodwa ke izozisho yona ukuthi ingubani ngoba amfuni ukuthi ngimnikeze igama ngafuni ukulisebenzisa namhlanje. Baba Ndlovu siyakwamukela ku Broadcasting Corporation.
Hayi siyabonga Khehla, siyabonga Nkala, linjani lina?
Hayi siyancenyisa baba.
Yebo Khehla.
Hayi asibonge leli thubo osinikeze lona ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sixoxe nawe emsakazweni.
Hayi kubonga mina kakhulu Khehla.
Yeah. Kade sikudinga phansi phezulu.
Hey, inkinga bengisuke ngaya emakhaya manje ngase ngisiba nenkinga encane. Kodwa ke konke kuhle Khehla, hayi. Siyajabula ukuthi nathi nisamukele ehlelweni.
Hayi, kuhle kakhulu. Balaleli nababukeli siyazi ukuthi kunokhetho luzayo eNkulumane. Ngokushiwa liqhawe elikhulu kakhulu uDesire Moyoxide. Sokubizwe ama-by elections manje ukuthi kube nokhetho lokuvala isikhala. Siyazi ke ukuthi ubaba uMadlela naye ungenele kulelo khetho. Yikho namhlanje sinaye la. Sijwayele ukuthi simbone ejayiva, ehlabela, esenza konke. Kodwa ke manje usethe ukushintsha. Washintsha unyawo. Manje ke sifuna ukuthi sike sixoxisane naye sizwe ukuthi kulolu unyawo waselutshintshele kulo umi kanjani kulo. Baba Madlela, masiqala ngifisa ukuthi uzethule wena ukuthi ungubani.
Right, mina igama lami ngizalikhuluma njengoba liku ID ukuthi linjani. Nanoma bathi belibhala bayenza mistake. Kodwa igama lami ngoMuthusi Ndlovu. Kodwa abantu abaningi bangazi njengoMadlela uSikhobokhobo ngenye ingxenye yemisebenzi engiyenzayo. Kodwa wayethula ukuthi kuzoba nokhetho oluzayo. Kukhona lokho sibuya singuMuthusi Ndlovu.
Hayi kuhle kakhulu. Uma uthi kwaba nemistake ekubhalweni kwegama lakho bekumele libhalwe njani?
Igama libhale MUTHUSI. Ikati ke lona kumele kuthiwe MOTHUSI.
Exactly, ngoba mina ngibe ngilibhala MO.
Ubu right impela. Kodwa ke angithi ngoba siyekhethweni sizama ukujwayeza abantu ukuthi balithole bazalithola libhale kanjani.
Hayi no kezwakala.
Yebo, hayi uzathi lungadlula ukhetho sibe sibuyele ke ekuthini kumele lube njani. Mhlawumbe sihambe nasemaphepheni silungise kahle lisipelo kahle.
Hayi no. Kuhle kakhulu. Ngoba ungenela ukhetho into ephezulu kakhulu Ikho ke sizofisa ukuthi before size ku background yakho
yebo.
ngike ngibuza ukuthi iqhawe uMoyokuside umazi kangakanani ube umazi okungakanani?
Ngumuntu ebengimazi kakhulukazi ngoba yindoda esikhule sonke, yindoda esisebenze sonke iminyaka eminingi, saze sangaba ngathi singama brothers, ngenxa yohambo ne closeness esasinayo. Of course abantu bayakhula umuntu naye aqala ukuyenza okwakhe siyale, omunye yenza okwakhe siyale, kodwa eqinisweni yindoda esasikhule sonke, esasebenza sonke, indoda mina ngihleli la ngomunye wabantu abayigqugquzela kakhulu ukuthi hayi mfowethu, unayo i-leadership, ngena ku-politics ngendlela engikubona ngayo, it is going to work for you. Yeah.
Okay. Uma ungasilokhuza nje ngamafishane nje usinikeze isithombe sokuthi imisebenzi mini la yenza lonke lo nobaba uMoyo.
Right, sihlangana 1993 esikoleni ekuthiwa iManama High School, singo form 1. Athe khona ekuhlanganeni kwethu mina bengizivelele emakhaya ngingazi much ngendaba zama TV zoku actor nani. Kathi ke yena njengomuntu wakhulela straight etown, he had an idea of entweni zoku actor nokubhalabhala lezo. So kulapho esahlangana khona nabanye abafowethu, kwase kudecide ke ukuthi hayi nathi sibe ngama juniors e drama group eyayiqalwe ngoSihlangu Dlodlo lapha eManama High School. Unfortunately sangathola umuntu ozathi hayi ngizanibamba ngesandla bafana bami nginifundisa ukuthi kwenziwa njani, basichiya sinjalo ama seniors bathi yenzani. He then assumed a leadership role uDesire, in terms of writing our productions and in terms of giving direction to imisebenzi yethu. From lapho ke form 4 yena wasala ke eManama waqhubeka nge-A level. Mina ngase ngisiya eZezani High School ngafika ngiqhubeka nami nge-A level. Nami ngafika ke nga-assume ke i-role ye leadership ye drama group. I started my drama group kwakuthiwa i-Red Sun khona lapho, nami ngaqhubeka ngaya phambili. Sithe siqedile ke i-A level sayahlangana ke sesisenkulumane ke sahlangana, we continued, sayibiza missing piece si outside up to isikhathi lapho mina ngachiya ngase ngisiya ke eGoli 2002 2003 somewhere there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kuhle kakhulu. Kuhle ukuthi abantu bezwe ukuthi ubunobudlelwano neqhawe ngalendlela ephezulu kangaka. Kakhulu kuhle kakhulu. Asibuyele emuva kancane ba. Ukhulume ngokuthi wena ububuye emakhaya. So ungatshela nje kancane ubuye emakhaya kuphi? Uzalwa ubani? Uvele nje ukhula uyiziphi izinto wena obuzibhekele, ngoba kunalento oyithandayo othi wena a dream never dies.
Kakhulu ke.
Yeah.
Right, mina ngakhulela eGwanda endaweni okuthiwa kuseMatulungu. Just nje mawuqeda ukudlula iManama uchapha umfula uhamba hambe uyafika lapho. Ngafunda grade 1 up to grade 7 emakhaya. Ngase ke sengisiya boarding school lawo ke ikukukhula kwami, kodwa ke indaba ze-art ngaziqala at a very young age. Ngikhumbula khona lapho primary school, I think angisenza grade 5 or grade 4. Choir master was not very good in choreographing ama steps. So at that very young age wangifaka phambi kwabanye abantu wathi wena ngoza qala ke izitep. So I became like a choir master ngisesemncane. Uyazazi into zasemakhaya sihamba ama concert kuba yimi nami engathi ngiyi-choir master nginikeza i-direction ye-choir. Yeah.
Okay. ngingathi mawungasinikeza nje isithombe nje ukuthi umndeni okhulele kuwo bewunjani.
Mina ngikhuliswe yi-single mother.
Okay.
Umama wami bekungumuntu run ama-shops emakhaya, wayenama-shop. She was a business lady. Even esayidini lako baba, nanoma ngingakhulelanga ngobaba yiko ngisebenzisa isibongo sikaMama uNdlovu. Isibongo sikababa ongizalayo uMakhalima. Kodwa ngisebenzanga ngoba uMakhalima kayenzanga imfanelo akaqedelelanga nakhona ngimfake esitazweni. Funny enough, ngiseManama lalele khona ngiyenza le interview lalele khona la just a few meters from where I am. I just hope izohlala kuhle nakuye angabona ngathi ngiyamdelela.
Hayi, definitely izohlala kuhle kakhulu.
Kodwa ngizama ukuthi the reason why ngagcina ngisebenzisa isibongo sikamama is because of that. Azange balungisa into zabo bebabili ase ngisebenza ke isibongo sikamama, so ngikhuliswe ngumama nanoma ubaba naye waye appear from time to time, of course ngumntana wakhe adlale i-father role, kodwa ke ngikhuliswe ngumama kakhulukazi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuhle kakhulu. Omama sometimes abantu when it comes to leadership, kodwa ke ngiyethemba ukuthi wena i-leadership kamama uyibuka ngelinye ilihlo, uyibuka ngaliphi?
Kakhulu ngoba omama isikhathi esiningi yonke into abayibamba ngesandla iyaphila. Ubaba ayingahlali kubi kubo baba. Kuba kuhle kusale umuntu wesifazane akhulisa abantwana afane njengesikhukukazi esiyabasondeza duzane, lutho ukhozi lugijima phezulu agijime asondeze abantu abakahlale phezulu kwabo, abavikele. Thina obaba sometimes unganitshiya nabantwana, kungaba nzima ukuthi ngibanakekele kahle. Into engizayenza ukuthi ngithi ngidinga umama wabantwana ozabuya ngena espacini sikankosikazi, ngingazi ke ukuthi uzabuya ayenze zona kumbe uzabuye abe yisitha sabantu abami, kube sokusiba nzima. Abantwana phela sometimes kuba nzima ukuthi bafinyelele kubaba, bagcine bekhula abantwana ngendlela engasiyiyo, ngenxa yokuthi ngisheshe maybe ngathatha omunye unkosikazi. Ngizama ukuthi ke omama i-leadership role banayo, sibona ngendlela abakhulisa ngawo amakhaya, ukuthi ikhaya limiswa ngumuntu wesifazane, ukuthi ikhaya limiswa ngumuntu wesifazane.
Kakhulu.
So ngifundela ukukhulu kumama.
No, kuhle kakhulu, and ngiyathemba ukuthi naye umama uma ekubhekile uyazitshaya isifuba ethi i-product yami leya.
Umama wami ngizalwa isalukazi, segugile umama wami, so masihamba bengiye kuye ngimthatha sisiya kwenye indawo ukhona besiya kwenza. Masihamba sifika ema-shop, then abantu bangirecognize, baqala ukufuna ukuthatha amapicture. Ngiyambona ukuthi ugogo usurprised ukuthi kahle lo muntu lo ngubani. So but I'm just trying to say ukuthi injabulo iyaphuphuma kuye ngalokho akubona phembu kwamehlo akhe.
Kakhulu. A dream never dies.
Yebo Kehle.
Uvelaphi lokho?
Ngangisegoli ngihlupheka.
Okay.
But uyazi i-creative mind ihlala igaya izinto eziningi. So ngicabanga nje it just came to my mind, nama ngazi ukuthi kwavela nga. Ngabona sengikukhuluma nje ukuthi a dream never dies ngoba ngangihluthwa liphupho. Ziningi ngabi into engangifuna ukuzenza. But ngangihlupheka egoli ngazi ukuthi ngizaqala ngapi ngizathini, ngaziduduzwa ukuthi hayi wathi iphupho lomuntu alifi esaphila. So a dream never dies. Ngaba mnyama kungaba njani, kodwa as long as ngikholela ukuthi leli phupho leli ngelilanga one day kuzakhanya kuzaba kuhle. Nami ngiphila ngaleso sinqumo sokuthi indeed a dream never dies. Sihlala sisethembeni kuze kulunge.
Manje amaphupho obunawo lese usakhula imali.
Mina vele through and through I've always been an art person.
Yeah.
Lo nganginaso iskill sebhola ngibukela uPeter Ndlovu ngibona ngathi nami ngizafana njengabo Peter Ndlovu. But ke iphupho elikhulu kabi lali ukuthi I become a storyteller and reflect his stories abantu bakithi. Ngoba if in a society kumbe bantwini abekho abantu who are going to document his stories zabo, it's a problem. So owami umsebenzi as storyteller ngathi hayi ngifuna ukuthi ngihambe ngidocument izistories zabantu bakithi. It can be through music, it can be through film njoba sisenza we mirroring impilo zabantu bakithi.
Uthe ngo 2002 or 2003 what decide ukuye eGoli?
Yebo.
Yini yakuphushayo uzwe eGoli? Njalo wafika wenzani eGoli? Umbuzo omunye ozalwa khona lapho uthi wona yini yakususa eGoli sikubise ekhaya?
Right. The reason why ngaye eGoli it was a great trek for everyone ngoba kwakunzima eZimbabwe yayimbi. Ilizwe laliguqe ngamadolo abantu befuna impilo engcono. Nami ke ngalandela ngaye South Africa ngisiyadinga impilo engcono. So mangifika eSouth Africa mina I'm a qualified marketeer. Ngastart marketing ngafika ke ngadinga imisebenzi ke sazama ukuthi si legalize izitay zethu lapho senzeni kwagcina kusiba right sathola imisebenzi sasebenza eSouth Africa. I think I worked there for more than 10 years.
Okay.
But ke ngilokhu ngithutshwa liphupho. Le art leni I will do art yami part time up to a point lapho ngagcina ngithenga khona icamera. Ngathenga camera. I then grouped young people ngabathengisela leli phupho. Ngathi bakithi nanti iphupho enginalo. I might not give you imali ngoba nginayo. Kodwa mhlawumbe leli phupho kukhona lapho lingasisa khona. But into mayisihleliwe enkali sihleliwe. Kuba lula ukungena enhlizweni zabantu. Ngangena ke enhlizweni zabantu sayenza lento. First project it went wide. Abantu bayithanda kakhulu. It was Madlela all over everywhere in South Africa. But ke on the music side I bengacabanga ukuthi ngizahlangana. But I'm a good songwriter. Ngicela ngizabhala abantu izingoma kuphela. But abantu bazakudisappoint along the way. Bhala izingoma nika abantu, you understand that people will never, sometimes abanye abantu will never be loyal to your dream. You understand ukuthi nawo nawakho amaphupho uyagijimisela ke phupho. So ngagcina ngibona ngithi nami konke ngikubhalayo using this character Madlela, let me rather convey it to abantu. Ngaqala inkalakatha yento. Acha ingoma iyayenza ukuthi ngichi iGoli because ingoma engayichaya ethi ngamnanga usamamoya iyagcwala yonke indawo yathandwa ngabantu kakhulu. Iyayenza ukuthi ngichiye iGoli ngibuyele ekhaya. Yes sir.
Yeah, I know. Usamamo ayashaya. Namanje yashaya vele.
Iyachaya noma supporters campaigner. Ngibezwa kuyichaya ngithi let's enjoy this song.
I know. Then wasubuyele ekhaya yiyo yakwenza wabuyele ekhaya noma kunokunye okwakuphusha?
No, iyayenza ngabuyele ekhaya.
Yakwenza kanjani ubuyele ekhaya?
Because bese ngibhukwa.
All right.
So bese ngithola ama shows eZimbabwe. I was then forced ukuthi ngiqale iband.
All right.
So that when I get ama bookings ngeke ngibuye phela ngiyenza ingoma eyi1 ukuthi ngamna ngisamamo ngibe ngiqedile. Let me grow this thing and add more other songs so that the band becomes proper sikwazi ukuhamba sisenza la senza khona. So that forced me ukuthi ngirelocate ngiyehlala eZimbabwe.
That's interesting. That's very interesting. All right. No, asibuye ke manje ke emsebenzini lona okuyiwona esibhekane nawo.
yebo
umsebenzi wokhetho
yebo
angithi uzoba umhla ka-20 December.
mhla ka-20 December
Ehe,
iNkulumane iyavota.
yeah. So far, after, let's say, ama nominations, ubona umkhankaso wakho uhamba njani?
Umsebenzi omningi Nkala is on the ground.
Mhm.
We can talk all we want kubo Facebook on social media is fine
Yeah.
because abantu bakulawo ma platforms, but there is a chunk of people who are not on these platforms,
Kakhulu.
and that is why kumele sibe on the ground, senze ama door to door, sibe on the ground, senze ama tours around the constituency. That's what we are doing pretty much. Every day sivuka siye eNkulumane, siyekhuluma nabogogo, siyekhuluma neyouth, siyekhuluma nawo wonke umuntu waseNkulumane ukuthi nansi isikhathi sifikile sokuthi uMandlela phakathi, uMandlela angene eParliament akayevoyisa izikhalo zabantu bakithi eParliament without fear or favor. Isikhathi sakhona sifikile.
Sifile. I connection yakho neNkulumane ingakanani?
Inkulu kakhulu Khehla, njengoba ngichilo ngathi abantu bazalwa labazalwa khona. Imajority yethu siza kobulawayo ngomsebenzi.
Yeah.
Whether wena kumbe abazali bakho kodwa kukhona la siphuma khona.
Yes.
Njengoba ngichilo ngathi mina original I'm from Gwanda, iqiniso lelo ngengofihli. Kodwa ke I've stayed in Nkulumane, I've worked in Nkulumane. Ogogo bakhona bangafakazi bathi ayisiyamazi lo mfana.
Yeah.
Simazi kakhulu. I'm even emkhwenyana weNkulumane, nesimomondi ngathatha khona eNkulumane. So ngithe ngibuya from eGoli after ngihambile, when I came back ngabuya ngahlala futhi ku constituency yaseNkulumane. So connection yami it's deep neNkulumane. Forget inkulumo zabantu ngoba phela ngaso lesi sikhathi wonke umuntu lenkulumo zakhe, abanye bafuna ukuthi campaigner because bafuna ukudonsela ingoba labadonsela khona. It's fine. It's fine, kodwa iqiniso alibe khona, iqiniso alivele. Yikho ngithe mina iqiniso ebantwini, abantu bafuna umuntu oleqiniso, bafuna ubukhokhelo obuqotho kuleqiniso. Sikhathele ngamanga, khathele ukutshela izinto ezingapheliyo. Bangaphi lapha buya batshela abantu iqiniso, batshela abantu into eziphilayo, bazenze njalo.
Yeah, I know ngendlela okubeka ngakhona is obvious ukuthi I connection awunayo kakhulu eNkulumane.
Another thing, voter, I'm a registered voter yaseNkulumane. For the past votes since ngibuyile, I've been voting eNkulumane. Bangahamba beyechecka bazabona ukuthi I'm a registered voter yaseNkulumane. What more ababe sebeyifuna?
Yeah.
Yini
bezwakala. Yini ekufuqileyo ekwenze walungenela lolu khetho? Yini oyizikuphusha?
Uyazi Khehla, kwesinye isikhathi awuziboni wena. And kwesinye isikhathi manje into kumele yenzeke, kuthunywa abantu kuwe ukuzokubonisa. Ngicabanga abantu abalenzi iphutha abathe kimi Khehla, nayi into esiyibona kuwe. Isikhathi sifikile, nansi constituency ebibanjwe li-artist. Nansi constituency edinga umuntu vibrant.
Yeah.
Nansi constituency edinga umuntu ozoba nesibindi, oyohamba emela ama issues abantu bakithi Nkulumane in particular. But ngena ugijime nogodo lithiwe nguDesire and take over the leadership of Nkulumane. Ngiyemela abantu bakithi eParliament. So ngiyenzwe ngabantu ukuthi ngingene. Eqinisweni bengikhatshana Nkala.
Yeah.
I had to consult nami with my spirit.
Yeah.
Uyazi ama decisions anje Nkala awuvela wathathe.
No.
Mina ngingumuntu deeply spiritual, very spiritual. Angiphongikwenza into. ngiqala ngiconsult ngiconnect njalo nomoya wami ngizwe ukuthi uthini kuthiwani emoyeni. Yiso lesikhathi kehle, yiso lesikhathi ngaconsulta njalo nabantu engazi ukuthi these ones will never lie to me, they will tell me the truth. Bathi khona bonke bebevumelana, bonke bebevumelana, so yiso lesikhathi ngani abantu. I know abanye they've got ama fears, but the story sami can't be story somunye umuntu.
No.
Bazathi hayi siyesaba ukuthi career wise I don't know. But ke nkala istory sami asibe istory sami. Let me write my own story. Akube yimi engibhala istory sami. Ungathi wena mhlawumbe omnye umuntu kuyafaila phambilini and then you think because bona bafailile kuyobuya kuhlale kimi. Mina okwami kuza controlwa lezo ithi ngibeke khona lapha.
Njengoba nje kusobala ukuthi i-constituency yaseNkulumane uyayazi, mawubhekile wena ngoku-assessa kwakho isimo ubona sengathi ama-needs abantu baseNkulumane, izindingeko or imfuno yini?
Mhlawumbe kumele si understand kuqala before nguphendula lo mbuzo i-role ka MP ne role ka council.
All right.
Obviously role ka MP inengi kakhulu eParliament. Ekuthini izikhalo zabantu anazo usiye eParliament nisiya kwenza nemithetho eParliament egavena isizwe ngendlela eright ngendlela ephilayo. Council of course is on the ground always babathila ne-implementation ye-development nani. Kodwa ke ekubhodeni kwami ziningabi khehla into ezingizwisa ubuhlungu. Abantu bakithi bayahlupheka. The other day ngithe ngisenza ama one on one omnye ubaba one disability wangicela wangikhipha ethimini wathi ngicela ukuzokhuluma nawe. Sangena ke endlini yakhe wasesithi kimi we are a group of I don't know if it's the right word ukuthi disabled people kumbe people living with disability. Angazi uzangisiza lapho.
Maybe people living with disabilities, maybe.
Yes, siphiwe indawo usit council. But le ndawo is in areas of rates nani. And le ndawo siyahluleka ukuyakha. Asinawo amandla. But we need to do projects lapho. Senze njani indoda ngoba wena uthi ufuna ukungena eNkulumane nanzi inkinga. Ngathi okay, into ongayithatha uyise eParliament angazi. Noma ungayithatha uyise eParliament ifike ingavunywa wenzani. You fold your arms uthi khona hayi angikwazi kubasiza labantu. Kulapho kungena khona ke mina nkani. Because of my status in the community. I've established networks ngalo msebenzi wami engiwenzayo. I've relationships with corporate. I'm sure ukuyabona ipost yami earlier ngisithi ngabizwa i-supermarket yathi khona sifuna ukukusiza. Kodwa nansi ikhisimusi yeza sifuna ukuthi abantu abadala badle ikhisimusi kahle. That's the relationship enginayo ne-corporate. So abantu abanjalo banama issues anjalo, they don't have to go all out for them. You understand that? So those are issues ezikhona. Just highlighting ezincane. Kune issues ya youth engasebenziyo ehlala isemgwaqweni, majority yayo abusing utshwala, kulento okuthiwa injengo balimala abantwana nkani. Kule youth teenage pregnancy ubhot bona abantwana benabantwana, so kulama issues amaningi. But kakhulukazi into engihlupha kakhulu youth yaseNkulumane, because if youth I function then Nkulumane is dead. Then Ibulawayo, Matabeleland, Zimbabwe as a whole is going nowhere. So we need to secure a future yabantwana through projects angayenziwa. I need to secure a future yabantwana through motivation. Ngoba I believe abantwana beNkulumane for umuntu ofana nami will really motivate them because they've seen me from being a nothing ngikhula phambi kwamehlo abo. Namhlanje ngakwazi ukubatshela ukuthi abantu bami lokho hayi ngale ndlela asenzeni ngale ndlela. And obviously do things ku constituency that will keep them off the streets, off drugs, off substance abuse. Yeah.
Okay. You know, kuyezwakala kakhulu. I-politics ngenye into abayibiza abanye bathi is a dirty game.
Yes sir.
Yeah, kodwa kabanye bathi hayi indlela yokwakha isizwe. So wena ngike ngakuzwa nje ukhuluma kodwa ke kunenkulumo phandle la esesizizwile since uphakamisa isandla ukuthi no, uMadlela is an artist, uMadlela is a comedian. Uzongena kanjani ku politics? Uthini kulabo bantu abanengqondo nembono efana nale?
Khehla, ukhona umuntu oke wazalwa yi-politician?
No.
Kukhona lapho kwabhalwa khona amagama kwathiwa abantu abanje yibo kuphela kumele bangene ku-politics and assume leadership role yesizwe.
Cha.
Ungahamba eParliament yeZimbabwe, I'm sure you'll get different people from different spheres of the community. Uzathola ama-lawyer, uzathola o-teacher, uzathola abantu abahlukahlukeneyo bringing ama-issues from their industry, from i-community yabo. Nami, I'm going to stand for abantu abafana nami eParliament. Abafana nami ngobani? Ngabantu abahluphekayo baseNkulumane. Abantu abahluphekayo basemathebeleland. Abafana nami ngama-artisti obona phela ama-artisti asemathebeleland kunzima.
Yeah.
And mina I know the challenges as face ama-artists asemathebeleland. But once you member of Parliament, you are not only standing for Nkulumane kuphela.
Yeah.
You stand for abantu and issues that affect abantu. So ngeke ngitshela ukuthi ngeke ngene ku politics because I'm an artist, I'm a comedian. You are boxing me. Abangekele ngifly ngenze lokhu okumele ngikwenze okungaphakathi kwami engikufilayo. Yeah, akula muntu adalela ukuthi kuthiwa uzaba politician. It's a lie.
Yeah.
And mina I don't want to play politics. Njengoba uchilo wathi politics is a dirty game. Mina ngifuna i-leadership. Abantu badinga ubukhokheli obuqotho. Abantu badinga abantu abaliqiniso. If we fold our arms, silokhu sithi politics is dirty, politics ingena abantu abanjani njani. Ngobani abazalungisa ke ba detox i-politics zakithi. Sizangena ke thina senze lokho kumele sikwenze. Mhlawumbe kuzakwenzeka kwazi bani. Kodwa masingavalwa phela. Ngoba abantu bayakwazi ukuvala umuntu bona bengenzi litho bafolda ama-arms. So sonke singafolda ama-arms, who's going to fix issues? Who's going to fix izinto ezisihluphayo siyisizwe?
Yeah.
Yebo ke.
Yeah. Maybe lo mbuzo engizokubuza wona is a bit sensitive and controversial. But uma usizwa ukuthi ungawuphenduli.
Okay.
Abantu ma bekhuluma bayazi ukuthi wena you were very close to ubaba uMoyo uDesire.
Yes.
Njalo uzwakela ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe uphakamisa isandla naye. Abantu bathi kathi kungani uMadlela engazange wahoxa wekela unkosikazi kaMoyo kwaba nguye oncintisanayo. Uthini kulokho?
Ukhumbule Khehla ukuthi uMoyo waye under inhlanganiso thizeni.
Yeah.
Engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bekumele sokunje kube nendlela ukuthi kuxoxisana njani phakathi kwenhlanganiso nomfazi womfowethu.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoba ngumfazi womfowethu engimhlonipha kakhulu.
Kakhulu.
But ngibona ngathi kukhona la kwaphambaniseka khona. Maybe abantu bangasondela kakhulu emuntwini bagcine bengamuphi ama-advisor right. Ziningi khehle izinto idinga kakhulu kakhulu ngayo le ndaba. But ngibonela ku social media kukhulunywa ukuthi isinto asivuma abanye mabe anti siyachaka ke manje ngoba singama candidates. Mabe mchaya bathi isinto asivumi nabo camp yakhe izasifenda ngendlela thizeni. But ke bengicabanga ukuthi if bekumele angene bekumele kukhulunyiswa nenhlanganiso ke le umoya bengaphansi kwayo kuvunyelwana. Njengoba mina ngalanda kwathiwa khona khehla sicela ugijime uye phambili nikwazi ukusebenzela abantu. Angazi ukuthi ngiphendulile kumbe ngiphendulanga kumbe ngibalekele kodwa kusala ngibhodlile.
Yeah, I know ngiyakuzwa bengithi angikunikeze iopportunity yokuthi ukhulume nabantu out there beku understand isimo okuso nokuthi kungani ukhetha ukuthi uncintise ngoba abantu bayakhuluma out there. This is a sensitive issue.
Unfortunately Nkala, we can never stop abantu from talking and speculating. Lilungelo labo and I've taken a decision ukuthi some of the things I'm not going to respond to them. Ngoba abanye bakhuluma genuinely befuna ukwazi but abanye ukhumbule ngumncintiswano lo. Abanye will use that to decampaign you. Kodwa mina ngikuthiwa ukuthi I have no issue no nkosikazi womfowethu nothing. I'm standing as a candidate. Now she decided to stand as a candidate for her own reason. You understand? Nami I've decided to stand for my own reasons. So let the people of Nkulumane choose. If they choose over everyone else, it's fine. It's fine. If they choose me over everyone, if they choose uFreedom Wezam, yikho khona lo. Babekhethile abantu beNkulumane bazokhetha lokho abakufuna. And sizokwenza like gentlemen afterwards sivume sithi hayi ngokwakho ke wena okhethiwe siyabonga. Yikho khona.
Kakhulu. I know ngiyakuzwa baba Madlela bengingafisa ukuthi ingxoxo yethu ibende kakhulu
ngoba ngisasa nohambo vele ngisabele ngiphume ngiye nalo kwana.
Okay. So bengingacela ukuthi kuyena lemzuzo nje esisele you talk to the people baseNkulumane usho ukuthi ubathembisani njalo kungani kumele bavotele wena.
Abantu beNkulumane ngingumntwana wabo bangibonile ngiqala lapha engaqala khona bayibona imisebenzi engiyenzayo emphakathini eminye idocumented engeke ngize ngiyimention. Niyakwazi lokho esengikwenzile sizwe, nikwazi kahle lokho esengikwenzile. Niyakwazi njalo ukuthi through imisebenzi yami engiyenzayo yamadrama nezingoma there is a lot of things that I say engizikhulumayo. Ngithi mina ngiphume kule shell yokuthi kuthiwa ngizakhuluma kuphela ngamafilimu ngikhulume kuphela ngengoma ngiye bukhoma straight endlunkulu yaseZimbabwe ngiyekhuluma these issues ezisiaffectayo ziningi kakhulu bantu bakithi. As long as singasukumi thina siyisizwe singabantu akukho okungalu. Sidinga abantu abaleqiniso, abantu abalesibindi abazahamba bathi khona ngizimisele mina ukuyamela abantu. Angilwi namuntu kodwa ngiyokulwa ngimela iqiniso. Isikhathi salokho ngizimisele mina abantu beNkulumane ukuyaba yivoice yenu eParliament. Not only iNkulumane kuphela kodwa abantu bakithi abanento eziningi abafisa ukuthi bazibhodle bazasibhodla through mina. Ngivumeleni ngiye eParliament ngiyelimela Sizwe. Ngiyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu baba. Hayi ngiyabuleka ngokubiza uMadlela kodwa ke hayi umuthusi Dlovu. Sibonge kakhulu balaleli babukeli beMathweni Broadcasting Corporation. Nali iqhawe liphakamisa isandla. Lifisa ukuthi liyozwakalisa izimvo zenu khona eParliament. Siyalazi kakhulu leliqhawe leli. Hawu ngithemba ukuthi iningi lethu even simbonele kudeni kodwa ke uhlale khona kuma screens ethu njalo nje. So asimnikezeni ithuba. Asibonge kakhulu. Sithi asibane futhi njalo ngokuzayo kuMathweni Broadcasting Corporation. Siyabonga baba Ndlovu.
Siyabonga.
Sibongile kakhulu.